Hi guys, here we've got OPPO A16S and let me show you how to change keyboard language here. At first, open new message or any other area where you can input some text. So that is, for example, new message. So all you have to do is to have your keyboard displayed. And as you can see now, we've got English letters here. To change it, tap on settings icon, go to languages. As you can see, I've got also French and Spanish language applied, but let me change it a bit more. Let's pick some totally different language. As you can see, the options are for any area of the word. Let me pick Hebrew because the change of letters would be pretty visible. Let me tap on done. Now you can remove unnecessary languages if you want. You can also stay with some particular language, and then you will be able to switch between those languages by tapping on space. But let me go back. As you can see, keyboard language has been already changed. Then obviously you can apply another one the same way. And if you stay with both languages, you will be able to switch between them, as I told you, by tapping on space. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.